you told us we are not alone. Bishop Ben, you are our magician. Our wonderful wanderer. We have seen you wander the world, sharing, caring, and clothing children, not knowing where they come from, who they follow, or worship. Bishop Ben, you are our
Mount Kenya Digital TV, Utheri wa Rurire.
And my mom was at her lowest. She came to the Lord's door, not for magic, but for prayers and compassion. But guess what? She left nourish and a bag full of Kapagara flowers. That day ugali was delicious. Mwah! Bishop Ben, you are our magician. We join Gedongori Ranchi to praise JCM and Pastor Kiengei. Igwego kono kwegea toegea. Tokenete, egohona. Bishop God, may your blessings fall upon your servants. Our bishop, somebody say amen. Thank you.
How many bags have you given out? Number one, bado mko na bucket.
Hiyo ni verse ya Pastor Bishop wetu. So the next verse ni yenye watakuwa wakipresent kule Meru for the nationals. Welcome. In conjunction with KICD, we, Gedongori Ranchi, present to you Fountain of Dreams by Andwasi. Welcome. We are proud products of KICD. In us, a fountain of creativity flows, so pure and clear. Droplet dance like stars at night, inspiring minds, igniting life. This fountain opens boxes of endless possibilities. Marvel in that, as you build this creative economy. What has the fountain